Hello and welcome to the Dereeve Trade. In this video, I will walk you through how Sigma Edge bot performs its trades. This is a powerful over/under digit bot optimized for consistent returns. Smart entry timing and risk management are built into every trade. Perfect balance of performance and reliability. On the main dashboard, you can see that my balance is $73. We can also verify if this amount is what we have on Dereeve. Let me refresh the browser. It is well seen that the amount matches what we have on the website. So let's return. Therefore, we need to scroll down to the bot section and select the Sigma Edge bot. The bot is currently locked, so if you try to log into the site when you have not unlocked the bot, you will get this error alert. You must purchase the bot to log in. Therefore, we need to unlock it by purchasing the bot. Simply go back to the main dashboard under the bot section. Click the buy button, copy the wallet address for making payment, and paste the transaction ID and verify. So after the verification, the bot will unlock and you will see the trade button. Once the bot is purchased, you can now try logging into the bot, and this will allow you access. You will land on the guide page to learn more about how to use or how the bot operates before you start trading. At this point, you will see the guide button here if you missed it at first when logging in. You can see over here, this is the Dereeve balance you currently have. This shows the signals you have left with in 24 hours, and this shows the number of signals you have used. So here I can enter the amount of stake I wish to use. And I choose a 2x Martingale because my capital is small. Then I hit the Start Trade button. Therefore, the bot will analyze the market before it begins trading. Now I need you to watch the magic of the alpha digit bot. The bot is going to do 10 runs only and stop automatically. Note that one signal has only 10 runs. Wonderful! The bot has made 8 wins and only 2 losses, making a total profit of $1,003. This is incredible. So here we can close this modal as the bot is now cooling. So we have to head to the main dashboard and refresh to see the updated Dereeve balance. As you can see, my Dereeve balance has now changed from $73 to $1,076. We can also confirm this on the Dereeve site. Yes, see, the amount is the same. Let me refresh the browser as well. So this brings us to the end of the Sigma Edge bot. Did you love the performance of this bot? If yes, then it is high time to visit our website at www.derive.com and try out. We also have other bots like Alpha Digit Bot, which you can watch on how it performs on the video link above. We also have the Drift Scalper. You can also watch its performance on the video link above. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe so that when we upload new videos, you are the first to watch and try our new services. See you in. Bye bye.